what the customer really needs. What does the market really need? If you don't need to go to the nth degree, don't go to it. And just consider how is that technology scalable from a practical sense.
There's a lot of hype around cloud and how expensive it is. I think the key message we wanted to get across, it's not costly, it's not scary.
Our bottom line is making the most of the smallest budget, biggest savings.
What we make is the real high-tech end of manufacturing, and we've got a great reputation globally for it. So it's something we should be very, very proud of, something I constantly remind the government about.
Having a more collaborative environment that helps the SMEs get involved with the bigger primes, making sure that the funding that comes available finds its way to them is really, really important.